Hello, Mrs. Sorry, can you help me check? I have budget for week 1, week 3, week 5, and week 2, week 4, but when I click on certificate, it still have restricted not variable byte activity create base worksheet based on an exercise in mark complete, the activity missing activities, and the feedback. So now how can I get certificate? And this is my okay reflex. I have already done and get it, but I do not have a tick for feedback and reflection. When I click on it, it have already completed the activities. So now how can I get back it? Can you help me? Yes. Here is my program. How can I do now? Thank you very much.